Welcome to BN News. Today I'm going to be showing you a wonderful storm happening today. It's 2.5 feet. Started out with a flurry. So I'm going to be showing these videos that has been taken. If you look now, you will see once I show the video that we took a video overnight of this storm 2 times. I'll show you video 1 now. I'm sorry about the screen that came in the way. I hope you could see the video fine. Next video is taken in the backyard of someone's house. They will be showing you a toy fire truck that they put in the snow that gets covered up. Sorry if things come in the way. Here's the video now. Thank you for watching that video. Now, let's go to Rachel Burlew in the courtyard.
Thank you, Brendan. We're here live in Yaphank, New York, where the snow is just incredibly cold. It's very, very white, which is unusual. I wasn't expecting it to be so white. There's a man here plowing his driveway. Let me see if I can ask him some questions, okay? Yes, sir. Come in. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm plowing.
Oh.
I'm your biggest fan. Yeah, I love BN Network.
This is very serious. You're plowing what?
Snow.
And now, can you tell me something about the snow?
It's white, cold, wet.
Yeah. Oh, very interesting. Very interesting.
Not
now,
smart
how much snow would you say we've gotten so far?
6 feet.
6 feet. Well, it doesn't quite look like 6 feet to me, but this man, who am I to judge? This man is out plowing the snow, so it looks like breaking.
And she just asked me what the snow looked like, and you're going to question her.
Come on! 6 feet. Okay. This is about me. That's about me. Look over here.
I love you. I'm the biggest fan.
That's your
Okay, Brendan, I think you just...
No, she doesn't know what she's talking about.
can we please go back to the studio, please? Studio? Please, studio?
All right, studio. Do you have any more questions?
Yeah, why are you out here when it's not even an inch on the ground yet?
Okay, well, it's clearly more than an inch. I did have a tape measure, but we know tape measurers can be subjective. Some tape measurers could say one thing, another can say another. So we decided it was better to rely on the word on the street and talk to the people who are actually in the snow who can tell us how deep it is.
Thank you, Rachel. And now let's go back to the studio and see you next time with the man that fell into it. We're going to go commercial break, and please don't leave because we are going to get to a man that's stuck in a snow hole. Be right back, and please enjoy this small video that we just got from outside.
Still rained into I was called out for the ice bucket challenge. It's not a bucket, but that's the best I had. And I'm going to call out, I got called out by Courtney Dela Cruz. I'm going to call out my aunt, Luann Hill, my father, George Miller, Michael Lagertio, and my cousin, Denise Snyder. You have 24 hours to, I know it's 4, to complete this challenge. Okay, ready?
Welcome back. We are back to the studio and we will be showing you the man stuck. We are setting the van on the way. We will show you once we get there immediately. So we're going to keep you entertained with some side notes that happened today. We're going to see if we can get back to Rachel Burlew, and I'll see you then.
There's still snow on the ground. Back to you, Brendan.
Thanks. Sorry about that. We interrupted her when she was in the middle of her work, so that's why I was so quick. Here's another thing to say about today's snowstorm. Ma'am? There was a blizzard last night, and there was a really bad storm. The blizzard's still going on right now, you know that, right? Yes. And there is going to be 3 feet of snow in this blizzard in New York, Long Island. There is going to be so much, it might be as tall as probably a kindergartner. You're a kindergartner too. Oh, welcome back. Today, well, not even welcome back. We're back. And I'm going to be showing you a map of where the storm's heading. So please enjoy. Thank you. Now enjoy this short video of the snow out today.
I've been looking it up online. What?
Wait, hold on.
Well, she texted me like 7 minutes. She texted me
Okay. The van is now buried in snow. The van is almost there. We're hoping that we can get out there. Maybe not.